So today we got the Melissa and Doug wooden dollhouse and the Melissa and Doug wooden barn. Let's check them out together. I'm super excited. Okay, we're gonna open the dollhouse first. I'm so excited about this. I would have loved nothing more as a little girl to have a dollhouse just like this. So let's see what's inside. Now it says that there are 2 play figures and 11 pieces of wooden furniture. So it does come with furniture, the pieces to go with it. It's kind of, oh, this is so cute. A super cute pink color, perfect carrying handle. This is like I said, it is a wood piece. So super, super sturdy. Let's see. Okay, so from the front, it has a really cute little door that opens and closes. Got our windows. Let's open this up. All of the pieces are inside. Let's see here. Okay, so this opens. It's got hinges on the chimney part, so it pops right open just like that. Okay, so it's pretty basic, but I really like that. The thing about Melissa and Doug is that they pride themselves on open-ended play, relatively basic functions, things like that to boost imagination. So I'm not mad about it. Let's take out 2 little chairs came out. That is so cute. Let's see what's in here. All right. Pieces are bubble wrapped, very well packaged. All wood pieces. Oh, nice. So the dolls are also wood, but they have cloth features on them. Super cute little girl, little boy, super, super cute. Can sit them right there. See if they stand. Okay, so they do also kind of have some bend to them, so you can kind of pretend like they're moving, walking a little bit. So that's nice. Okay, so our pieces. Let's pull these out. And we'll check them out together. Okay. Got a cute table. I really love the color paint that they chose for these pieces. They really pop, really bright, and really nice. It looks like maybe this is supposed to be a bed, table, little armchair. This looks like it should be a tub. It would be a bathtub. Little TV. We'll set that there for now. This is maybe a container for things that the little family would use. A little toilet. That's really cute. And then I believe I had this upside down. This is actually a sink. So it would stand up just like that. It's got little details to show faucet and handles. So that's really cute. It looks like there's lots of space to put the pieces in. So just for fun, we can check it out. There's some stairs. You can put the bed like so. Maybe put a chair down here. And the table. Oh, what was this one? This one kind of has some pieces that fold in and out. Let's see. Okay. Not totally sure. This is my first time seeing this piece in person. So let's see. I'm not totally sure what this piece would be. But that's okay. We can figure it out. Let's put the tub up here with the toilet, the sink. Yeah, this is really, really nice actually. I very much appreciate the detail on some of the small pieces. You could probably use any, if you happen to have another dollhouse set or things like that, you can certainly use those pieces. This is a starting point, I would say. They fit really well inside. I really like this. I think this is really nice and well made, and I would definitely want to gift this to a little girl who is wants to be a little mommy or pretend to have a little family. I think this is really great. Good job, Melissa and Doug.